I am James Kilty. I'm Platform Manager at EPIC, the Irish Emigration Museum. We examine Irish history through the eyes of emigrants. We look at the impact they've had on everything from politics to art, science, sport, music, everything in between. The previous booking system we used worked, but it was very slow. It was difficult to update. It was difficult to maintain. It took a long time to create new products. It took even longer to update pricing, to do anything structural. A single moment that showed me that Ventrata was what we needed to get was the OTA connectivity. We'd previously been selling on OTAs, but nothing was connected. That was, again, a huge amount of work, even just to close dates. If we had an event in the CHQ building and we had to stop selling tickets, I'd have to go into every single OTA platform and select that date and lock it. So being able to do that from one central point for all of our connected OTAs was a big sell. All of those touch points lived in different bits of software, basically. So it was very hard to follow the entire trade of events from purchase to post-visit, whereas now that's all in one place. One single QR code from a customer point of view makes a huge difference because they just have to open that one email on their phone. We've definitely seen an increase in reviews, TripAdvisor and Google reviews specifically. Our website conversion rate definitely increased. There's features coming in all the time, and our previous one was stuck in the state it was in when it was first created. Since we started using Ventrata, we've seen a lot more OTAs that we can connect to because we know how easy it is to connect to them. We're up to 13 or 14 OTAs at the moment. There's more planned. Did our first Ventrata to Ventrata connection 2 weeks ago. That was with Dublinia. I find the default reporting out of the box, the bookings table, very, very easy to use. Quite often I'd be asked specific questions that would have previously taken me 20 minutes to find the answer to, whereas now I can even save the search. If I get asked the question regularly and it's there, 3 clicks, I have the answer. How many of X product was sold on this date? There it is. Within 20 seconds I can have the answer. So that's a huge change. The Ventrata team are great, obviously, as you know. I can go weeks, sometimes months, without having to talk to anybody because everything is working perfectly. Don't get to talk to them as much now because Venny, the AI bot, can filter out maybe 60% of my questions. Ventrata appears to have been built with the future in mind, so it's created to evolve and to drive a lot of the improvements in the ticketing area, whereas other companies may be reactive. I think Ventrata are kind of leading the way. You're not going to regret it, however difficult you think it might be now. Once the initial pain is over, it's plain sailing, everything makes sense, everything continues to get better. I don't see any of the other platforms that we considered pushing so many updates so regularly, almost monthly. Support, it's better than any company I've dealt with.